Hey folks, this is the weekend when you set your clock back 1 hour. It's not tonight, it's tomorrow night. Technically Sunday morning at 2 a.m. 2 o'clock becomes 1 o'clock. Just do that once. When it becomes 2 o'clock again, don't do it again and again and again. You have a long fall if you do that in the meantime. 2 o'clock becomes 1 o'clock. That is Saturday night, Sunday morning. And then it'll get light a little earlier and get dark a little earlier each day. Here's a look at your current temperatures across the valley. We're all in the 80s, 81 in Port Isabel, 83 Brownsville. You move to the west, 88 McAllen, 86 right now in Rio Grande City. Here's a look at your low temperatures tonight, and they're going to stay in the low to mid 70s with fog forming in a few places. And then tomorrow, back up in the 90s again across the western two-thirds of the valley. The coast will be a little cooler, about 84 at the island, about 89 in Brownsville. Very warm day. The normal high is working its way down. It's 83 now starting tomorrow, and we're going to stay above that. In fact, we'll be closer to the records than the normal on Sunday and Monday, up around 91 degrees. Here's a look at what's going to happen. Future Track says overnight tonight, patchy clouds, again a little bit of fog, but that's about it. Then during the daytime tomorrow, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies again. Let's go forward to Sunday. Patchy morning fog. By afternoon, sunshine takes over again. So it looks like just kind of a broken record. So what you see is what you get. Temperatures about 91, then dry through the next 3 days. We just don't see anything to trigger any big rainfall at all anytime soon. Now, we look at Texas. This is the high resolution satellite. Look how smooth it is. The new satellite GOES 16 that's up there gives some really pretty images, and just we get a lot more images, a lot more higher resolution. And you notice what it leaves us with still is a lack of cloud cover in Texas. A quiet night. There's a front in the state, but it's going the other direction. It's a warm front pushing northward. Temperatures are nice and cool in the Panhandle, but they won't be for long because that front moves to the north and we end up warm and humid again. Nothing really changes here. There's Sunday, still warm and humid. Let's go on to Monday, still warm and humid. A front almost in Texas on Monday. In fact, it does clip the Panhandle, but it's going to take till probably late Wednesday to get here. So the warm and humid conditions will prevail. It's going to take a little while to get that front down here. So until then, what we have today is probably what we're going to see all the way into at least Wednesday of next week. And the coast, the winds are out of the south-southeast about 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop on the bay. No advisories for Saturday with a low risk of rip currents. A nice weekend at the beach. There are two tides. So for tonight, 73 for a low, some clouds already there, but they'll thicken up a little later on and maybe some fog. And then tomorrow we're back up to 91 with early clouds and again, maybe some fog. By afternoon, sunshine takes over. Southeast winds about 10 to 18. So we look at the next 3 days. There's your clock back on Sunday morning, 2 a.m. Temperatures stay around 90 or so all the way through Wednesday. And then that front might trigger a shower or two. Looking at about a 20% probability right now. And then after that, we're still about 82 degrees. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Now it's time.